Guys, now we are going to learn about minimization of DFA. So here they they're given the diagram of the DFA and transition table. So now we have to minimize the given DFA, which we have to do to reduce the states of DFA. So for reducing the states of DFA, we have to check the equivalent states, and if you observe the given transition table for A and C, these two are equivalent states where they are going with input 0 and 1 to equal states. So now to find the minimum DFA states, we have to write non-final states and final states together as a set. So non-final states are A, B, C, and D, and final state is E, which is given in the DFA. Now we have to separate the equivalent states and non-equivalent states. So as we observe there, we have A and C equivalent and B and D non-equivalent. So we should separate these as under set. So I am taking AC as one state, and B as another non-equivalent state, and D as another non-equivalent state, and E. Now again we'll check for the any equivalent states, and if we observe here there are no other equivalent states, so we have to construct the minimal DFA. Now as observed here AC has one state, B and D and E. Now we'll construct the DFA. We have taken AC as one state, which we'll take as initial state, and B, E, and E, which is final state. Now we'll take the inputs and states as we observe in the previous transition table, the DFA. So here A with input 0 is going to B, and A with input 1 is going to C. So A with 0 is going to B, and A with 1 is going to C, which we have written as one input. So we have self group, and again we'll check for the B. So here B with 0 it's going B, and with 1 it's going D. So B is self group, and it's going to D with input 1. And now let's see for the D. D with 0 it's going to B, and with 1 it's going to E. So we'll trace back to the 0 with input 0, and D with input 1 will move to E. At last EC for E. So with input 0 it's going to B, and input 1 is going to C. So with 0 is back to B, and we need input 1 is going to C, which will go to AC. So this is the final and minimal DFA which we have constructed from the given DFA.